Hello friends, let's make Lucknow special chicken tunde kebab. Firstly, we need to dry roast the masalas: Jeera, Sauf, big cardamom, small cardamom, black pepper, Lavang, Khas and Kaju. Blend it properly in the mixer grinder and keep it aside. On the iron tawa, we need to roast onion until light brown. Let the onion cool down for some time and put it in the same mixer grinder. Add ginger garlic paste, salt, red chili powder, haldi, and mix it again properly. Our masala is completely ready. Roast 1 bowl of gram flour properly and keep it aside. Here we have taken kacha papaya, which gives a very good taste to the kebab. We have taken 1/4 papaya for half kg of chicken. Cut it into pieces and mix it in the mixer grinder with the masala. Wash half kg of chicken keema properly and mix it in another mixer grinder. Transfer it in the bowl and add the masala to it. Mix it properly. Add the roasted gram flour and rose water. Mix the masala properly. In a pan, heat 2-3 spoons of oil, and with the help of the spoon, you can spread the kebab very easily as they are soft. Let it roast properly on the low flame and then turn it off on another side for the required texture. If you feel your masala is thick because of gram flour, you can add half egg, which will give it softness. We can directly serve these tunde kebab with green chutney or can even grill roast it. Delicious kebab are